No, there's no flex.
Yeah, I know, you don't
Flex
really...
anymore.
But me, I need to flex, because I'm shit.
It's a pump Iron Mage too. It's a
Oh,
pump
is
Iron
it?
Mage too. We can buff each other to stay combat so he cannot zap us.
Yeah, but the thing
Oh,
is like...
we drop already combat. Okay. Whatever. I block this.
Nice!
Oh. Ah, he's dead.
Watch out, my little man! Woo! Yeah, you gotta go faster! You gotta go faster, my little piece of shit. Holy hell, man! Right in the face, baby, that was up! Have a nice one, next!